Hello friends, my name is Akil and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we learned what is property binding and how to use it. In this video, we will learn what is class binding and how to use it. So basically, class binding is used to add or remove classes from our HTML elements dynamically. Its syntax in some ways is similar to property binding. Like we have a p tag and we want to add any class inside the p tag which will change its color, then we can do that by using the class, and then inside the double quotes and inside these double quotes we will have to put the single quotes, and we will add here our class name. Like here we can say any class name, change color, and we will have to define it inside the .css file of the component. Sorry, not the header component, the app component. And we will use any style. Like we want to change the color, so we will use the color property and its value will be anything like blue. And so now if we go to the browser and let's see what happens. So first of all we will have to use any text like hello world. So as you can see, the class is applied on our p tag. But what if we want to change the color of the p tag or anything we want to change based on condition? Then we will have to change the syntax of our class binding. Then we can use the dot syntax of the class binding. So we can use another p tag, and inside here we will use dot and then the name of the class that we want to apply. Like here we can say change background, and inside here we will put the condition which is used to change the background color. Based on that condition we will say it is true. Now if we define it here inside our .css file, we change the background color to gold or anything like this, and we will have to use the text like hello world has background gold coming from the or being applied by class this. So the color of the text is now as it is, but the background color is changed to gold. Now if we want to make it more precise, we will define any property like change background, and we will make it a method. So let's say we will say color changed of type boolean is equal to false. Inside here we will set it to true if we want to change it. So we will set it to true as if we want to change the color of the p tag based on that condition. Now we will use the method here inside the HTML file. We will make button and we will use the click event. We will be using the click event here, and here we will say change color. Initially the color changed is set to false, so we will use it inside the class dot background color, or the class dot change background is equal to color change, which is false. And when we click the button, the color of the text and the background color of the text will be changed. So as you can see, the background color is not applied, and if we hit the change color event, then you can see the the background color is changed now to gold. This is how we use class bending. We can also use class bending to add more classes. Like here we can say anything like change font size, and we will copy it and define it inside the component .css, and we will say font size is equal to 20px, and we will save it both. As you can see, the font size is also changed. We can add as many classes as we want inside the double quotes, and inside those double quotes we will use the single quotes, and as many classes we want to add, we can add. We can also use object inside the class. Like here, if we want to use it like the class which is change color, and we want to apply it, then we can set it to true. And if we want to change the background or the change font size, we can also do that by using the objects, and we will also set it to true. So the both classes will be applied using the object notation. So as you can see, the hello world is still as it is, as the classes are being applied here by the object notation. Now if we don't want to change the font size, then we can set it to false. So our font size will be smaller than the previous one. So all the things are working fine. So this is how we use class bending. Thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for more video lectures like this.